हेयो केम छो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. आई होप सब बढ़िया चल रहा है आप लोग की लाइफ में. एंड एज यू कैन रीड द टाइटल, right now I'm in my room and I can't wait to show you guys. So in general I'm a person who prefers keeping my life kind of private, but today I'm going to let you all in my personal space and I've kept my room minimally and classy at the same time. So ये सब lockdown का भूत है. During those times I realized that my room really needs a makeover and that is why I experimented a little bit here and there. But later anyway we are going to renovate our whole house. I was like no point of investing so much. So it's and bits and affordable way में changes किया है. And I've never done this before, so I'm super thrilled to show you guys. So let me take you to the room. Okay, so I've tried to follow monotone color scheme with a little bit of gold here and there. So coming to this wall right here, so this is a 3D wallpaper sticker that I got from Amazon and mainly I got this because मेरी जो wall है water leakage की वजह से काफ़ी patchy हो गई थी और कुछ तो wallpaper या something I thought would be better and इसको लगाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान है. Like it's just like a peel off sticker and just be careful of the adhesive glue that it has because it's very sticky. You can take someone's help. बाकी तो I think this is पैसा वसूल and changes the whole vibe of the room. Coming next to this headboard right here. So ये headboard की पीछे की story तो मत ही पूछो, मतलब it was a task for us to get it done. And anyway यहाँ पे empty space थी पहले which I applied a light before. You must have seen in my previous videos. And I think ये headboard उससे ज़्यादा better लग रहा है. Like it is completing and giving that royal vibe. Then we come on this cushion cover. So this cushion cover you must have already seen on my Amazon video. I already talked about it on it. Then I've put some chote colorful pillows so that it adds a pop of color and breakage to my monotone color scheme. Then we come to this fitted bed sheet here. So ये जो fitted bed sheet I got it long back from Shein and I think fitted bed sheet is perfect for people like me who sleep like जानवर and बार बार उसको fix करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It stays in place and it's very convenient to use. Then we come to this quilt. I got this quilt again from Amazon and I just got this because it gives that cozy hotel vibes और वैसे भी winter आ रहा है, so I thought it'll look good and it's also good and it has many color options available, so you can check them out. Also I'll mention all the links in the description below, so just in case if you also want to get your hands on those products. Then we come to this side table right here. So this side table I had to get it customized because obviously जो place है वो बहुत छोटू सी है और ये size का ready side table available नहीं मिलता है. So I got it customized and क्या होता था कि जो सारी चीज़ें पहले मेरे bed पे ऐसी ही पड़ी रहती थी and now they are nicely in a place and it's very handy for me to use. And I also painted white so that it goes with the vibe. Then I also got my hands on this carpet and this obviously goes very well with my color theme, and this is from Miniso and it's so cute. Then let me take you to the next corner. So then we come to this side table right here. So this side table was already there with the bed and I got this mirror tray, this lamp light, this initial letter light and a mug, all those cute stuff. So I got this 3 stuff from Market 99 and let me tell you something about Market 99. I came through it from Instagram and I was like I need to check it. So when I went there I spotted many cute and nice home decor stuff and also very budget friendly, so you can check them out as well. Then we come to this frame right here. So this frame is from Prop Shop and the edit is done by one of my fans, which is cute, and also a rose. So to give that vintage and nice aesthetic vibe right there. So that's it about here. Chotu sa. Then we come to my curtains, my favorite part. So curtains जो मेरे थे पहले के वो 10 साल से वही थे and I was like big time to change them and I didn't even like the color of that. So this curtains I again went with my monotone color scheme, which is white, black, grey and all. And main I got this in double layers so that कभी ऐसा soft aesthetic vibes चाहिए हो तो this sheer curtains I open, and when I want no light or dark I open the behind one. So I think this and the wall, these 2 things are the major game changer of my room and yeah, I just love them. Then I'll take you to my favorite part of the corner of my room. Then comes the favorite corner of my room. So what I've done here is I just added a mirror. So ये mirror के पीछे की भी अलग ही story है. What happened was my neighbors were throwing away this mirror that they had, and I anyway wanted a floor mirror, so I was like, let me take this, and I took this to the frame wala guy. He added this nice cute frame, and that is how my mirror was ready. फिर I added this creepers also, and I think adding some greenery always adds positive vibes and also makes the room or the space look really good. फिर आते हैं हम ये छोटे से टेबल पे. So I added this table just in case you want to sit and click pictures and all. Then this fur mat and a throw pillow just to complete the look and give those aesthetic vibes. Then this shelf was already there, and I added this nice छोटू सा planter because I said greenery तो बनता है. Then this frame. So this frame is customizable. You can write whatever you want to write. So I keep changing this every time. Then this thing I already had, and I just did some DIY by adding some flowers, and it is giving such cute vintage vibes. फिर आता है ये, और ये तो आप लोगों को पता ही है क्या है, बट ये टूट गया था मेरे डैड और मेरे भाई से, but I have stuck it, and obviously this has to be here. So that is about my cute favorite little corner. Then comes this wall full of sketches. So these sketches are all done by me. And क्या था कि पहले मैंने मेरे भाई के लिए बनाई थी, then मेरे dad, and then my mom was like कि मेरे लिए क्यों नहीं बनाई, तो ये साल मैंने मेरी मम्मी के लिए भी बनाया था. And yeah, these are some of the sketches that I've done. There are many. And then I changed this watch here, and I like this how it's very antique and very simple. I got this from Amazon, and yeah, I like it. मतलब थोड़ा quality इतना अच्छा नहीं है, but I like this. Then again this little cute shelf of mine. So ये ऐसे ही मैंने थोड़े candles रख दिए. ये smile ये भी Market 99 से लिया हुआ है. And obviously this planter again, as I said, greenery really changes the whole look of the room. So yeah, that's it. That's my favorite cute little corner. I did a good job, you know.
बहुत बुलवाई आप लोगों ने, तो let me take a break, you know. Especially made by Shuzul Doshi. टेस्ट करने तो कैसी है देखते हैं. हाँ तुम.
Also, I forgot to mention this is my wardrobe, and I'm not gonna show you guys today. I will be showing you guys my wardrobe in another video because इसके पीछे भी अलग ही story है. हर चीज में मेरे पास story है, and जब थोड़ा presentable होगा तब मैं पक्का आप लोगों को बताऊंगी. So that's it about my room and the changes that I did. So ये जो process था ये पूरा 2 to 3 months का process था because कुछ चीजें आने में time लगता है, कुछ चीजें I went and got customized and कुछ चीजें exchange करनी पड़ती है and all of that. But yeah, finally reached my goal, and lockdown का बहुत अच्छे से इस्तेमाल किया गया है किसी ने. Also, not to forget, I'm going to do a transformation of my balcony as well, so stay tuned for it. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to do the mandatory part, which is like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.